Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited to share with you a beautiful drawing of a fresh red apple using colored pencils. Grab your favorite colors, sit back, and let's enjoy this creative journey together. I'm starting with a light sketch of the apple shape, just to get the outline right. Now I am adding the first layer of light red color. When using colored pencils, it's always best to begin with the light pressure and build up the layers gradually. This way, the apple looks more realistic and vibrant. Now let's work on the leaves. I am mixing light green with dark green and even adding touches of yellow to make them look fresh. For the veins of leaves, a little dark green or brown really makes them pop. As I work on the red areas of the apple, I am using small round strokes with the pencil instead of straight lines. This technique helps to blend the colors smoothly and gives the apple a soft, natural texture. By layering different shades of red in circular motions, the apple looks more realistic. Always remember, the direction of your strokes matters. Following the curves of apple helps to enhance its round shape. Notice how I leave some areas lighter. That's where the shine and natural reflection of light will be. To finish, I am carefully adding highlights with white gel pen. I also added a couple of water droplets on the surface. Just a tiny detail that makes the apple look even more realistic and refreshing. And there we have it. A beautiful, realistic apple drawn entirely with colored pencils. I hope you enjoyed watching this process as much as I enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who love art. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next drawing.